Hey y'all, well, let me clear my throat out. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be doing a salad and homemade spaghetti mukbang. And this is just a life, like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a life update. Maybe one time a week, once a month, whenever I can, honestly. So it's currently Saturday. Add a little hot sauce. It's currently Saturday, and I got me some crane grape. I'm a wrench. So, like I said, it's always something going on in my life. So let's start where we left off. So as you guys know, I've been looking for a new job, went to an interview, and I got the job. I started working. So like I said, today is Saturday, January 29th. So I started working officially Sunday, but I had already worked at this job before. So it wasn't like I was unfamiliar with the job. So I get there on Sunday or whatever, and I was supposed to do training. This is good, y'all. I was supposed to do training. So it really wouldn't be training for me. It'd just basically be me trying to get more familiar with the register, trying to remember how things go. So I'm just like, okay, y'all. I was like, okay. So I get put in the system, trying to do training. Come to find out, I don't have any training videos because everything is based off of when I started working last year at my old job. So I'm like mixing it. I used to do this as a kid, like this. I used to do it like this as a kid because I used to like the ranch with the spaghetti. That is definitely too much. Okay. The cucumbers with the lettuce and ranch spaghetti is hitting, okay? But put me in the system, did that. Come to find out, like I said, no stuff is based off of my old job. So I was supposed to be working there for a couple of hours. Mind you, I was supposed to be getting off at 7. It's only 3. So I was in some jeans and my boots, and they put me on a Food Line shirt, and it was so awkward. Like, they trying to train me, and I'm just like, why are you trying to train me when you just put me on register? And it's so awkward. Like, I'm a really awkward person. But nonetheless, the day was fine. Tuesday, I work on Tuesday or whatever, and make sure y'all can see. Y'all can't see. It's cool. It's fine. But I was supposed to, I worked on Tuesday, and Tuesday was good. Wednesday come. I go in on Wednesday, and all the registers are full, so I have nowhere to go. And I'm training with this girl, and it was awkward. And I'm just like, why couldn't y'all just tell so-and-so to get on register? Because he worked at customer service, and it's awkward. And I'm just like, why? Friday come. Friday was fine. Currently, y'all, I deleted the app because my app wasn't working. I'm just like, why am I not on schedule? And I deleted, downloaded it back. I can't even get back in it because I need a URL. So therefore, I'm not on schedule. And not on schedule. Can't get logged in. So it's just like, what? Not even 3 hours ago, I called them. And they wasn't even a manager. They was somebody who was at customer service. They told me you're gonna have to come in and do it. I'm not going in. Sorry, but that's stupid. Like, why would I come in to do a QR scan when you can send it to me? I can press down on it, copy and paste it in the app, or you can hover over it, press on it, copy and paste it, and send it to me. So that's a waste of time. So stupid. So I'm gonna just call. I'm gonna call the main company that's over the entire store and see if I can get it, or I'm gonna see if I can call another store, and if that don't work, then I'm gonna just go in and do it. Because it's just so awkward. Like, I like the job, but it's just so, I feel like it's so awkward because I'm new, and it's just like, who are you? And I'm just like, hello. But yeah, that's how that's going. Now, let's talk about school, y'all. I got this English teacher, and when I say I hate her, y'all, mind you, y'all, I'm not in honors English. I was in honors English freshman year, but I just decided not to take it because it's basically the same thing. You just move at a faster pace, and I just didn't like that. So I was like, But she's basically an honors teacher, y'all. She made us read a whole paragraph, and we had to memorize it. If you didn't memorize it, you got 0. She's purposely can't get on phones. Her classroom is infested with ants, and she wants us to put our phones in a holder where ants is, and it ain't gonna happen because if you know me, you know ants. I just can't do it. Like, the look of ants, just black lines. I hate the way they look. It disgusts me, and I just can't do it. So, who finna give up their phone to some ants? Because I sure as hell ain't doing it. That's dirty as hell. Sorry, y'all, but I ain't doing that shit. That's nasty as hell. But she's rude. She crazy. And she treat my English class like it's a college course. And I'm just like, girl, if you wanted to teach college, why your ass didn't go to a college and teach and be a professor? And I'm just like, girl. But school is going good. Yeah, I don't really have, that's really my only complaint, and I'm tired. That's it. Everything else, school is fine. I guess. I keep covering up my mouth because I don't have a paper towel. But currently, I'm trying to pick my classes for next year so I can graduate early. So, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. If I graduate early, that's honestly more content, more time to grow. More money to be made. Now, weight loss journey. So I know y'all probably like, I'm sick of hearing this bitch eating spaghetti and if you go watch what's in my Amazon cart, then you would know, like, what the hell I'm talking about. You know, not like that type of person say, well, I'm gonna do it or don't do it. No, no, no. I like to plan everything out. I don't like to say I'm finna get on a diet. I've done that multiple times. I'm finna get on a diet and then just trying to do it, didn't plan anything, didn't think anything through, and it just didn't work. So I know when I'm successful on my diet, I plan everything out and it worked. So that's what I did, and that's what I'm doing. So currently, I finally got my food scale, so that's out of the way. Now I just need my waist trainer, my arms trainer. I need to go to the store, get my groceries. And that's really it. Like, once I get all those things, I'm gonna make a video saying my first day on a diet. My goal is to lose 25 to 30 pounds. It's like a range between 25 to 30 by my birthday. My birthday is in June. So, well, honestly, by my last year of high school, for like senior pictures, because I want to make sure I look my best. I'm dropping. See what I mean? I want to make sure I look my best. And I feel like me looking my best means me getting myself back together. So, yeah, that's the weight loss update. I got my weight scale. So, all I need is my grocery list, and yeah. On to the next topic. I don't wanna keep talking about that. It ain't nothing really to talk about. Talk about my hair. So, if you go watch my videos, like my natural hair video from like months ago, and then go watch one of my previous videos, you can see it's like 2 pieces in the front, wavy in the back. It's curly. My